Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to introduce the new ChatGPT Image 1.5. So it was just released today. So in this release, there are 5 major updates. So we're going to go through them one by one and see how this works. So that being said, let's get started. So the first update in this new GPT Image 1.5 is the precise image edits. So if you look at the samples provided here, so basically this is the initial image, and if you want to make some very detailed updates to this image, such as make this shirt red, the hat yellow, and the speed limit, which is 15. So you can see there's a speed limit is 25. So try to make it as a 15, and everything is updated accordingly. So it's really accurate, a very nice and precise updates. So you can see there are more small changes they make to the image, which shows how precise update this new 1.5 model is. So, and the second update for this release is creative transformations. So you can see there's more examples in here. So first is to make a movie poster and how to make the image more creative. You can see this is very creative, like a Hollywood old, like 70s style. So you can see this is actually very, very creative. So that's what they said, creative transformations. And then you can see they update the image of some Altman to a more fun image. So it's very creative in the sense what they're talking about here. So this is the second update. The third update is instruction following. So the sample provided here is that a grid of 6 by 6. So they want to draw a grid with very specific prompt. So for each row, so you can see that the older GPT image has some issues, but the new model 1.5 renders very well. So very detailed, very clean and precise. So this is the third update, which is the instruction following. And the fourth update is text rendering. So you can see this is a very interesting one. So if you look at the samples provided here, so the text is a markdown. So it's very complicated markdown, and they want to make this to a image. So you can see this is well displayed paper for GPT 1.5 with the data and with description. And you can see that this is exactly from the prompt. So this is the fourth major update for this 1.5 release. The last update is additional quality improvements. So you can see from the samples provided here. So this is to make a scene in Chelsea, London in the 1970s. And this is very clean, similar to an iPhone shot. So it's iPhone shot quality, right? So, and then for the comparison, so they have a previous sample. So this is a lot more outdated film. So it's not really like a modern, like iPhone style. So this is the fifth update, which is last update. So it's additional quality improvements. And there's more samples provided here to show you this image 1.5 model is much better for the quality. So you can see additional quality improvements. So this is the last update. So they also mentioned there's a creation space. So you can actually go to ChatGPT. There's a image section on the left navigation. You can see that they create a new space. So you can see all these images you created and others created. So it's more of a creative solution, and you can see everything is in one place. So they also mentioned some of the improvements and limitations. So what are the improvements, such as the quality? And also they made some reasoning down the images to show what has been improved. And also there are some limitations here. So you can see there's styles limitations. There are multiple faces limitations. So they also documented the reason. So what are the limitations and the improvements? So overall, I think it's a very well made model. at this point. So you can also try it out for free from the images. So for example, I tried it. So just build a poster for a real estate event. So you can see this is pretty good. That should be it. Last but not the least, they also provided a Image 1.5 in the API. So if you're a paid user, you can also try out the API. So that being said, hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.